Alright guys, Friday night, we're out here at a beautiful event right now. I went to go to the bathroom. Nobody was here, and when I came out of the bathroom, there's actually people now. And there's security right here too. Hopefully, we don't get kicked out yet, huh?
Yeah.
This is my boy Homeless.
You know what's going on here? Almost gonna go on. This BB is gonna come over here and start towing.
Alright.
So they're coming, they're on their way already.
Who's this? Oh, we got Alex Choi here. Yeah, nice to meet you, Alex Choi.
Nice to meet you.
Where'd you put the Lambo?
It's in the garage.
Oh, that's a good place to put it. I like dig in the sweater.
Hey, thank you.
Oh, you're matching with the shoes, huh?
I am, bro.
Yeah, I like that. I like that. Yeah, you have to embrace it, huh?
I talk English, bro.
All right, so we have here Mr. Suspect in the wild. If you can't tell already, he's Armenian. So he's gonna let us know what are we doing here today in his language. And don't fuck around, huh?
Alvaron Kyot Mernuma.
No. You heard that. You heard the man.
I got you, bro.
Loving the jersey, by the way. I support this jersey 100%.
I got a New Jersey just for you.
Yeah, I support this one a lot.
We got tired of the McGrady.
We're tired of the McGrady's. Now we got the dick one, the pee-pee.
Hey, Pippin.
Pee-pee. Are we, Mr. Pee-pee, are we flexing today or not today, Mr. Pee-pee?
Shh. We're flexing just a little. Hey.
Oh, just a little flex. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4 cops. So we are here right now. We're gonna go to second location right now. Mr. Alex Choi, what do you think about this meet right now? Too hot?
It's a little hot.
Good thing you didn't bring the Lambo, huh?
Good thing. Good
right,
thing
bro.
I brought my undercover car.
Oh, let me see. All right. Very undercover. Very different from the Lambo.
Yes.
All right, so the officer said party's over, so I guess that means no more drinking. We gotta go home. It's nice and crowded today, guys. Look, we got a lot of cops. You can just see them right there. Look. Look at all the people here. It's hella crazy right now. That's right, what's up, buddy? What's up? Hey, what's up, buddy? Alright, cops showed up, guys. There's a lot of people here right now. Yeah, that's right. It's cracking as hell right now, guys. Oh, what's up, buddy? Hey! Hey, what's up? We made it to the second location, guys. The cops are kicking us out right now. They want us out of their city. And I don't blame them. This is a new kid on the block, like he said. He got the proper equipment, though. Hey, what's your Instagram?
Dead Boy Films.
He makes some cinematic videos for you guys. Look at that.
Bro, for sure.
How much was your setup right there?
Around like 6,000. But yeah, somewhere around there. I'm still getting.
We got the dogs blocking. We got all kinds of people blocking today. Hey, what's up, buddy? What's up? Hey, we're gonna get the dog to block too? Oh, that's right. Hey, it's the target dog, huh? Oh, wow. What's up? Hey, it's the famous Daily Rules. Hey! Hey! What's up? Cop! Go! Leave! Hey, block it! There we go! Hey! Oh, buddy! Hey, fuck you! Get for the win! That's right. Daily Rules. Hey, what's up, buddy? That's right. Alright, shit. Push him back. Oh, what's up, buddy? What's up? Watch it! Oh, what the hell? Lazy! Oh! Push us to block the car! Oh, what the hell? How the fuck did niggas get in? What the? In my What's up, buddy? Sweet that shit! Woo! Oh! George! What's up, George? What's up, my boy?
What's good, bro?
What's good? Oh, you're good? Hey, push it. We'll push it. We'll push it. Go in the parking lot. In the parking lot. Turn it to the parking lot. That way, when the cops come, nothing happens. Park it in here. Go. Block it inside. Put it in there. Go in there. Go in there. Hey, back it up. Yeah, you're on fire, fool. Just park that shit. Cops are already here, fool, so just turn it off and park it. Go. I got you. Hey, just park it in there, put your windows up. No, you're not, fool. You're just smoking. Then you. Hey, we got your bag, bro. Yeah, you should. Yeah, you're dead. There you go.
2 weeks ago.
Hey, put your windows up and just park it, fool. All right, we got the cops pulling up right now, guys. The other guy's safe and sound now, so we're good. Alright, we're out here, guys. The cop left, so I guess we're just gonna stay here now. Fuck you! Hey! It's active as hell, guys, right now. We got 1, 2, 3, 4 cars that pull up right now. Oh my god. So we got cops blocking in the intersection right now, guys. It's getting pretty intense right now. But it's lit right now that the people didn't really get. We got 1, 2, 3 more cops coming in hot, guys. Takeovers with the cars. Damn, the cops are coming in hot. The dog don't like no cops. He don't... Oh yeah, bro, deep. Catch you later. Only the OG subscribers are gonna know about this spot. This is where the Mustang crashed and it went viral all over the news and everywhere, guys. This is the spot. Let's go. Oh, look who we have here. What the hell? You like the meets? Look very fun? Very entertaining?
Good.
Very good. See, yeah, snap it, go for it. Take a record, have fun. Hey, what's up, buddy?
Last time.
But you're still alive, so praise the Lord, you're still alive. I don't know which was this one or this one, or that one. Who the fuck is that? Hey! Oh, hey. Oh, that's right. Oh, that's Owen! Hey, take that shit out! Turn it. That's my boy! Donuts again, those were good. Hey, there we go. Woo!
Oh shit, did it, bro.
He's gonna need new shoes after this. New car, Mr. Alex Choi. Oh. It's already super late, guys, and look at the amount of people that we have right here. Fever out here. After being here for like 40 minutes, the cops finally showed up and came in a pack of 3, guys.